Good morning, class. This is your teacher, Mr. Collins, or good afternoon. Uh, I have just received a letter about the recent research that we've done. If everybody would turn to the back of your packet with me, to this page. All right, three, two, one. All right. Now, I got a letter from our president and the commander-in-chief, Mr. Barack Obama, about our sunflower seed research. All right. Everybody's concerned about this new fungus that's out. I just want to read the letter because he has given us a mission in the class. All right. Now, in January 2013, a mystery fungus was found infecting a crop of corn in South Africa. This fungus completely destroyed the corn crop that year in the country of South Africa. This fungus was named the 2013 fungus after the Mayans' world ending 2012 prediction. The 2013 fungus eats the fruit from the inside out, making the crop entirely inedible. Fruit or grains infected with this fungus become poisonous to all mammals. Many scientists fear that the 2013 fungus will destroy mankind. Since appearing in Africa, the 2013 fungus has been spreading around the globe. In June of 2013, it was found in Florida. First, then it spread to North America within 4 months. Scientists have been working to try to stop the spread of and cure the infections. But as of now, they have only found plants that are immune to the fungus. One plant that has shown immunity to the 2013 fungus has been the sunflower plant. That's what we're researching, right? So, the United States is 2 months away from running out of food. The United States needs to grow as many sunflower seeds as possible to prevent major starvation. All right. Now, what we have done in class is to determine the carrying capacity of our soil. All right. Now, we're going to change some variables today in order to increase our carrying capacity. Our mission, as given by President Barack Obama, President Obama wants to know how to grow sunflowers in the fastest amount of time possible. He has enlisted the help of the young scientists at Phillips Academy. You and your lab partner are going to choose a variable to test what you think will help the seed germinate. All right? Now, what I want everybody to do, turn right back to the front of this page. The first thing that we're going to need to do is record the data that we already have. All right. So take out your last lab, the sunflower seed lab. Three, two, one. Now we're going to record the data table from that lab here. One difference, we're going to find the average amount of seeds that grew per bag. All right. Remember, we had the bag with 5 seeds and we had the bag with 10 seeds. All right. We're going to find the average amount that grew. So in order to do that, I'm going to add up all the seeds that grew in each group. So you see here, I got 1, I have 0, 4, 1, and 1. In order to do this, I'm going to add all of these up. The total is 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. All right? And then I'm going to divide that by the number of groups I had 5. So I'm going to divide 7 by 5. Count that in your head, class. And I'm going to get 1.4. All right? So to go over that again, I added all my numbers up, divided the total by the number of groups. All right? I'm going to give you all 5 minutes to complete this task. Go. Now, what we're going to do, class, we're going to retest our experiment. All right? We have the same problem. What is our problem? Now, we need to come up with what we're going to test. All right? So, our options for items to change are options for our independent variable. We can change the number of seeds that we put in each bag. We can change the amount of water that we give each bag. And we can change the amount or the type of liquid that we use. All right? Our options today are lemon juice, soda or pop. We have Coke Zero. We also have Gatorade. All right, so we can change again. We can change the number of seeds that we put in each plant. We can give in each bag. So we have 5 and 10. We can change that to 15 to 20. All right. We can also change the amount of water that we give. So we gave 10 milliliters last time. You can give more or you can give less, trying to see which would help the sunflower seeds grow best. We could also change the type of liquid that we use. All right. Our options today are lemon juice, pop, Coke Zero, and we also have Gatorade. All right. So with your team, I want you to answer questions 3 through 6. I'll give you all 5 minutes to complete this task. Go. Now, class, I want you all to identify your variables. All right. So we're going to identify our independent variable, whatever you chose from the options above. The dependent variable, what are we measuring? All right. And then you're going to identify all of the controls that we're going to have in our experiment. So if we're measuring the number of seeds based on the prior information, if we change the number of seeds based on our prior information, what we should do is have one control group with the same amount of seeds that we've tested before. All right? So we would have one control group with either 10 or 5 seeds based on what we know already. All right? So I want you all, I'll give you the rest of class to identify your independent variables and answer questions 8 and 9. Thank you very much. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. See you tomorrow.